Welcome. In today's session, we are going to fine-tune a powerful LLM model on Google Colab using LoRA and the Qwen 2.5-0.5b instruct model. We'll walk through the entire process from scratch, so stay with me. First, we begin by installing the essential libraries required for model loading, LoRA support, and training. Once the setup is done, we load our own dataset named probhotdata.json, carefully prepared for this training task. After that, we configure the LoRA settings, lightweight, efficient, and perfect for fine-tuning without consuming too many resources. With everything set, we dive into the training process, letting the model learn and adapt to our data, and you'll see live updates as training progresses. After training completes, we save our newly fine-tuned LLM model. This is now your personalized language model, ready for inference. To test the result, we'll prompt the model and observe its responses to verify improvements. This entire journey was done completely within Google Colab, making it accessible and affordable for everyone. I will be updating the full code with proper explanations on GitHub soon, and the link will be shared here once it's live. Make sure to comment below with your thoughts, the tools you used, or any suggestions you have to improve this process. Your feedback means a lot and helps me create better tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Until next time, happy building.